The recent attack on a lawyer who was on a visit at a site, we would like to know what are your comments on it?
See, the recent attack is not an isolated issue. It has happened very recently again to another friend of mine who was a lawyer, Bab Sadanand Vaigankar. Then it happened to somebody in Mapsa. So these are repeated things that are happening. It goes without saying that it deserves a lot of condemnation, but we are only condemning, and nothing practical is happening to protect all this, to safeguard these lawyers from such attacks. Now, what does it mean? One thing is clear, the law and order has collapsed. There is no fear of the rule of law. So this is going on because not that our law enforcing agencies are not capable. Are they using their capabilities to protect the scenario, or are they using their capabilities to be a part of that crime? This is biggest problem. So the question is condemnation, there is no doubt. But we have to see that such things, if it is going to happen to a law officer of the court who goes to a particular site to assist his client in implementing the court order, then imagine which state where we have reached.
The Bar Association, while condemning the attack, has cautioned lawyers not to visit explosive sites. What are your comments?
Now this has confused me a lot. What is the Bar Association trying to say by cautioning the lawyers? When you hear it, it gives a subtle this that have they not done something within the law that you are telling them to go, not to go? How you are going to identify and distinguish that do not go on explosive? How do you know what is explosive, what is not explosive can become the most explosive? And what you apprehend is an explosive site can be just. But if law officer now, because it's an explosive site, there is no fear of law. The law officer is not duty bound to assist his client. For he is not doing a favor, he is duty bound. When a layman doesn't know what is the exact order, how it has to be implemented there, it is the duty of the law officer, the co-advocate, to go along with his client to help him. And how the Bar Association is cautioning and trying to say that he should have not gone there. It is that there are mechanisms of the court. That means, is it trying to say that he has done something beyond the law? Why all this explanation? One more question is that they said that a bill has to be brought. Legislation. Now, legislation to be brought, who are the experts? The Bar Association should prepare a bill and present it to the government. Why you just say that the government should do it? The government should do it. Who will vet it? All of you all, one of you all functioning on the bar, which includes the AG, which includes so many, all are experts there. Prepare a bill. But the other flip side of it is, one of the reasons that this is also happening is the judicial system. Lawyers should be protected, fair enough. And other human beings are what? Not dogs. They should not be protected. The bar should take it up with the judiciary to see that attacks on humans are speedily disposed of, so that there is some fear. Otherwise, one side is the law enforcing agencies are playing the fool. This side, the judicial system is taking years. So where is the fear? There is both sides of the story. And it is the duty of the Bar Association to take it up with the judicial system and see that this thing is put in place somehow or the other. Goa is a very small state. They can handle it better than any other state. That's what I feel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your insight.
Like, share, and subscribe.